Hello everyone. Today I will show you how the unlimited storage and version control on the Autodesk Construction Cloud works. You heard it right. We have unlimited storage on Autodesk Construction Cloud. Let's see this on one of our projects. So here we have this project, and in this project we have published various versions of our Revit models. So if we come to the architecture folder, and here we see our Revit model, and we see it is on the version 13. If I click the options and check out the version history, here I can see all the previous versions of this model. Each and every model that is being published has a different version over here. Now if I want one of the previous version to be the current, so I will click over here and make current. What it will do is create a copy of that version, and after that, after this version 13, I will have a version 11 on top of it. And with this version 11, when I will further save it again, it will create version 14 for this. In this way, if I restore one of the versions in between the restored version and my last working will also still be saved. So we have unlimited storage. Furthermore, another thing we must see, if we come to Revit, here if I explore the same model over here, we see over here there are options, and here is version history. In this version history, you can see that each and every time I synced the model, that is a separate version saved over here. So the last time, if I can show you, it's 517. That means that it is synced over 517 times. And if I scroll down, we can see that from the first version to the last version, I can restore any of this version. Now, if I want to restore any of the version, I will click on it and I will click restore this version, and it will again create a copy of that version, and it will be again on the top of this. And when I save the next synchronized, then it will create my next version from here. This way, you can also see that if the version numbers are same, then there is no difference in that Revit model. So if I restore this version, you see here it is version 11 and it is being restored. The version 11 over here and the version 11 over here, absolutely no difference. When I start working on this model and I publish the next version, then I will have a different version number, and that will be version 14. So if I constantly restore a version and then I go back to some other version, the same version numbers will tell me whenever I restored that version, and the same version numbers mean that these are absolutely the same files. So this way, the unlimited storage on the Autodesk Construction Cloud can help you restore any of the versions you have. To purchase any of the Autodesk products, you may contact Construct Builder. Thank you.